My dude got hung over, yo.
It's your new phone.
Damn, baby girl,
in the
shoot.
ocean where you threw it, I think. I don't remember. I was pretty smashed. Look, meet
You
us
buy
at
me
the
a new phone?
hackerspace.
Where?
Check your pics
I'm
and
not
figure
talking.
it out.
I'm not gonna talk. Damn, that's I mean, what? That's so nice of her. I got a headache so bad. Oh my god, dude! Like, I can't even stand up. So where am I?
Yo, whose place am I in?
Oh my god, is that G-String? What? G-String. Golden Gate Bridge. Damn, that's some nice ass water. That looks nice. Not gonna lie. It looks a little bit weird, but that's fine. That's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm just chilling in my like box. Is this my boxers?
I guess I was lit, huh?
Like Mardi Gras. Go get yourself something to wear, and I'll tell you where to go next.
What we? Oh,
And you'll need your phone ready
let me
for
talk,
operation.
baby girl.
So hit the store and download the app before you get here.
Damn.
Damn that ass. What? This how we looking. This how you be looking. What we be doing last night, baby girl? Like a threesome? I seen no girl. Oh shit. Oh crap. Okay, let me climb. Where am I? Alright, hold on. I ain't trying to do none of that right now. Alright, let me see. Alright. What is this? Oh shit, police car. Damn, taking that selfie? What? Let me get in the middle of the road. Don't run me over, fam. I got you on camera. Yo, baby girl, look. We gonna take a selfie right here, right now, because I got no friends. Oh, we did. Oh, shit. Let me get in your whip, okay? Oh, no. Okay, I know how to drive. No, hey. I was just playing, like, you know? You cool with it, right? Like, let's take another selfie real quick. I think that was a dude, by the way. Let me take another selfie with you, okay? Yo, you look like my dad. Is that you?
Put the fucking gun down.
Is that you? Wait, I don't have a gun. Why are you so scared? Okay, let me do it. Let me do what I need to do. Come on. Oh, Jesus. Dude, I was just... Look at that pigeon. Don't call 911. I didn't do nothing. Oh, God. Don't tell anybody, okay, yo? Oh, God. I just escaped them. Oh, no. Don't kill me. I swear I didn't do nothing. I mean, that means I did something, but like, you know.
Let's keep this nice and simple.
Oh, dude. Don't kill me. I didn't do anything. Yeah, I did. Oh, we got a shot at his boxers, dude. Our shot. No, I stole a vehicle. That was fucked up. Okay, y'all. I think I need to do this.
Could you back it up?
What the hell is she laughing at? She crazy. Do I need to buy something? I don't know. Whatever. Let's go. I didn't hear the lady. Oh my god. Yo, man, give me a ride or something. Ah, F you then. Okay, I'll meet you guys when I get over there. Okay. Okay. Apparently, I was just running into the woods for no reason. I found myself here. Oh crap! Put your gun away. What you doing, dude? How do I put my... Oh. There you go. Oh my god, for real. Yo, baby girl, what's good, girls? Down. That is your fault. Which okay, I'm gonna stop. I need to buy some shoes, I think. I mean, some pants. These kind of whack, to be honest with y'all. 370s, 449. Hell, they got me messed up. I could barely afford noodles. Ah, damn. Okay, let me not be picky. Damn, it cost so much money. Wait, I could have chosen different types. No, I can't. Okay, we's good. Put your damn pants on.
Alright,
Buy some
Star,
pants
so
after
where you at?
party.
Sending you the location and the passcode for the door.
Can I steal some money, baby girl? Like, what's good, dude?
What?
You don't understand me? I said, what's good?
Hey, you can change in the back. Have a good one.
What? I don't get you, but okay. Where I need to go? Oh my god. That almost killed you, dude. Where I need to go? Right here, okay. That's not so far away. Let's go there. Oh god. Oh my god, I look like such a noob. Get on your bike, dude. Oh, I thought I could make it. Okay. Guess not. What am I doing? Oh shit. I guess this shows I'm super great at games, y'all. Let me just get the hell out of here before I embarrass myself. Don't worry, I'm a pro at driving, okay? I'm great, baby girl. Thanks for asking. Who said that? Yeah, we're good, baby girl. What you say? Nobody saw that, dude. I mean, y'all. Oh, okay. No! Oh, okay. Told you I was great. Meow. Okay, here we go. What's good, y'all? I know you. Wait, what? I'm back. Come on. I went in a circle. What the hell? Okay, no time to worry. Is this one? No, it's supposed to be over here. Let me go in the back. Nope, can't do that. Really? It was right here? I don't know what to do. Be right back, okay, y'all? Alright, y'all. Here we go. I figured it out. I just have to go over there. Oh, sorry, lady. Wait, all the way over there? Really? Nah, got me messed up. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna make it in 2 minutes, y'all. Alright, meet y'all there, okay? My dude mad rude. He just look at me like, man, get the hell out of my way. Get out of my way, dude. Oh my god. Lady, why are you running? We's gonna jog together or something? Oh my god. Why you stop? Like, I thought we was like partners. No? I need to find a car, y'all. Excuse me. No, don't be sorry. Be helpful. Just joking. Bow! Right in the trash. Okay, I think I need to go inside here. Right here. Right? Nope. In here? What now? I need to talk to this guy.
Shit, that's free room.
What the hell?
I'd love to, but I'm kind of running late. Fair enough.
What now? I need to go in the back? He gonna hook me up? I haven't eaten in days, y'all. Why is it taking so long? Oh, for real? Middle finger? Man, screw you. Let me... That's after. I think that... No, I'm gonna end it after this, okay? Damn, this place look cool. Damn, baby girl, what's good?
So Josh and I spoke, and fucking over Bloom has been a long-standing project.
Alright, you need two things to take down Bloom. You need to get people to rally behind
There's that awkward guy.
And we need bots. A lot of them to handle the data CTOS is processing. Josh.
Don't touch me ever again,
All-night
okay?
modifying our app so you can get followers.
You though, baby girl. I'm just kidding.
This is happening. It's really happening.
This is why I don't know anything about the game yet.
Hell yeah, man! Barbarians are at the gate ready to bust some Roman heads.
Fisting? Going on? Right here, right now? What about you, what? Don't touch me again, okay? That was a little bit weird. Hey. She's just playing around.
Marcus!
What the hell?
Check you out. Alive and dry. Might swim.
Wait, where baby girl
You
at?
gotta check this out.
Dang it, I can't make a joke. Alright, y'all. Jp25awsome signing out. I found you! Oh shit, what? Damn, girl, look at them knees. I'm just kidding. Bye, y'all. Bye. What up, guys? Oh shit, what you doing? Oh, fucking Arc Joan. I see you too. What? She said she got a stalker? What? Damn, baby girl. You playing me? It's okay though, because I didn't even like you, you know. I don't need you. I got the guy over here. I don't even know. Fuck you. What? That's messed up. Come on, dude. Oh, okay.
Our very own open source research app. So, like, all of us here pool vulnerabilities that we find, and we encourage everyone to share their work, their research, etc.
Okay, so what's the research at?
Widen our skill set, make us irresistible to the gender of our choice.
What, so it's like a
What?
I know Kung Fu kind of deal?
If Kung Fu was a gender and not so 1999, absolutely.
Damn. Alright. Okay, so what now? Is there anything I need to look up? Select the research app and press A. What? Which one? Whoops. Is it like right here? There you go. What, I can't do it? What's going on? Be right back. Okay, I finally got it running. I think this is like your level ups. So you can do car. I don't know, this is like hacking, right? Vehicle hacking, social engineering, city disruption, tinkering, botnets, marksmanship, and remote CTRL. I don't know. What I need is marksmanship. No. You know what? What would be better? Tinkering. Hacking? Maybe hacking? I don't know. Be right back, okay? Okay, y'all. I chose this one. Because I really need a car. I need a wheel to get around. You know what I mean? I've been walking all this way. That's effed up. Hey, man. What now?
The wonders of technology.
A 3D printer?
What the hell? That unicorn, though.
Of printers. It is capable of pumping out an arsenal of little weapons down.
Get to the
Seriously?
chopper.
Yep. Once you master it, voila! Hipster merchant of death.
All
Is that
good.
like
I
a
know
trolling face in the background? Y'all can't see it. You guys can barely see it, but it's like super bright.
But don't blow up.
Alright, man, don't blow us up. Don't worry about it. That's what I do best. I'm just kidding. Ooh, hacked it real quick. Okay, so I think... Oh, I can get one of these. Don't touch the booty. Oh my god. Damn, remote control everything? Super light. I could do like, what would you call it? I could go them biceps. What now, dude? Print any weapon. Okay, so I can do another one. This one. What? Is that it? Wait, right here. I need the free ones. That looks like a freezer. Dragon Ball Z. Damn, I look cool with this. Too bad. I need a jacket. It's kind of. Oh, what's this? Gadget, gadgets and weapons. Equipment wheel. Okay. Up, open equipment wheel, or select gadget or weapon. Release to equip it. Deploy or take control of jumper. Deploy or take control of quadcopter. The hell? I don't know these words. Wait, there's something. No. You know what? Let me just go to the main mission. I don't want to waste time. What the hell? Am I looking at
Good
it?
to have another brother here.
Good to be here, man. Are you all hackers?
You're more like a
Kind
distant
of
relative.
basic
You know what I
requirement to
mean?
Get invited into the hacker space. But we all have our specialties, like Josh over there. Always building shit that shouldn't work.
That's Mister. You fake.
Wrench?
Good engineer too, but better at breaking shit apart. And yo, Satara, Sis got skills as an artist and a graphic designer.
Yo, man, don't hit on my girl
Sis
Shatara. What
walking
was her
around
name?
without a face or voice.
What about you?
She my
What's your
baby girl.
superpower? Tactical coordinator or cat herder.
So you useless. Okay.
I make dead
Oh, that's
most
messed up.
impact. You little primate, those are some real dirty hacking motherfuckers.
Yeah, I brushed up against them before. It wasn't pleasant.
All right, that's what I like to hear.
It was like
When
more
you're
like
ready
mellow,
to
you
do
know what I
this,
mean?
I'll fill you in. There's always someone running ops against primate. Bet they'd love your help.
Okay. Okay, so I could just go to like random activities. What now? Oh, baby girl! Oh shit!
Something, right?
What's good, baby
So,
girl?
places, son.
Damn, I love
We
them
used to keep
socks.
track of news feeds on, but
Them
now
skulls.
it's our follower wall.
So it knows if we're trending?
No. It's based on hard values. How many people downloaded our app? How much processing power we have access to? You know.
Nice.
And speaking of which, we're downloading the DedSec app into
Getting
your
that
phones
put no?
for speed.
Okay.
When it's ready, open it up, click the suggested op, and hit the park outside so we can test it.
Sounds good.
One more thing. I put a reminder
The put
on
no,
your phone
okay.
so you remember what we're gunning for. Get enough processing power to take down Blue.
Oh, 18 minutes? Damn, this episode been long. Okay, Jp25awsome sign out. Bye. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video.